This is a quick tutorial on how to read and sign a form using Criterion. After you log into Criterion, you'll be on your home page. On the left side below your name, you'll see a heading, My Tasks. You may have courses due or forms to sign. In this case, the Return to Work policy will be a form that needs to be signed. Click on the form. It will expand to show all your forms that are due, and click on the Return to Work policy in this case. Click on the box in the upper right corner to open the form completely. This will make it so that you don't have to scroll back and forth to read the form. Once you've read the document, type your name in the box as required. You're going to sign your name using either your mouse or a finger if you have a touchpad, and put the date in. You can't submit the form until all the required boxes are completed. Once you submit the form, you'll receive an email telling you that the document was approved.